it going, guys? My name's John McLennan, and I'm here with Ohana Ukuleles, and I want to tell you about this beautiful Ohana CK40R. It's a concert that I'm playing, and today's tip, I'm going to give you just the right-hand pattern to Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And I put a low G on this ukulele, and so it really dials in the sound that Is gets. And again, the trickiest part of this song is the right-hand pattern. So if you learn this, then it's just about going through the chords and keeping that pattern going. And then it just sounds really cool to play, you know, for other songs, or just moving through chords if you want to write your own song or whatever. But let's dive into it here. So we're starting on a C chord, and just keep that chord there. Don't worry about changing chords, and practice this right-hand pattern. You're going to start with your thumb on the 4th string. You're going to play that once, and then I use my first finger of my right hand, and I just go down like this with my nail, down, and then back up with, like, you know, kind of brushing with the skin part of my finger. So it's so 1, 2, and then thumb, up, down, up. So the whole pattern is this. You'll want to write it down so you can practice it. Thumb, down, up, thumb, up, down, up. Okay? And the rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so it's on beats 1 and 3 that the thumb is happening. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and... So just practice that for a while, just kind of getting your hand in the groove of it. And then, you know, if you get sick of just hearing the C chord, try switching chords, you know? So back to Somewhere, we've got... Really cool sound just using that pattern. Alright, well that's your tip for today, and I hope that helps you out. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.